Hi students. I briefly just gave an example of, I said when your left hand is tired and you want to start developing more of this comprehensive, left hand, right hand ukulele technique, I said it's never a bad idea just to put your thumb on the fourth string, the first finger on the third string, second finger on the second finger, and the third finger on the first. And you can almost put your pinky down like a kickstand and just do this. Just go down. Let me get closer here and demonstrate it. Now there's no chord. I'm just doing this. And the pinky acts like a kind of a reference or an anchor to the face of your ukulele. Now, I suggested that at the end of the year, we will definitely be looking at Silent Night. And in that piece, which we're playing arpeggios. These are arpeggios, broken chords. I would go down and up. I would hold a G, and I start with the thumb. So it's 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Silent night, holy night, all is calm. Let's look at the music. I have it here, and I've also posted it on Canvas. So you notice, it is, by the way, it is in 3/4. It's in 3/4. And if we were to strum it, we would go down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 like that. But if we were playing with the right hand fingerstyle is one way of putting it, or finger picking, it would be 3/4. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round young virgin, mother and child, holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. At the end, you could do the kind of the a la harp, pull all the strings at once for the ending. So it's a real decent song, 3 chords, only 3 chords, and I think I mentioned that it was officially premiered on a guitar, these chords, only on a guitar, G. And the finger picking, this finger style, you'll want to first start going down. And I always say 50 times probably. And then practice going 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's in 3. All right, we should have this in time for the holidays, starting now, never too soon. Never too soon to start. Have fun, students, and I'll see you later.